Hey yo guys, what's up? Your boy Fire is back. So, today, mag-unbox ako ng Pokemon cards. So, nabili ko to sa Shopee. And this is a repack bundle. So, guaranteed siya ng 1 hit, 1 holo rare, and 1 holo reverse. And random cards. So, I think 7 random cards tapos may free. So, no further ado, hikisa! So, let's unbox this. And sana okay yung cards. Kasi kita nyo naman, na-bend yung box and dito sa gilid, may dents. So, let's go. Finally. So, let's open it. Oh, bubble wrap siya. So, good looking naman. Sana okay yung cards. So, let's unbox this thing. So, nakita ko na may water energy siya, guys. Ooh, nakatupload. Nakatuploaded. Yeah. So, see? Sealed siya. Okay, ayos naman yung cards. Wala siyang, ano, tago muna natin yung heat, guys.
Hello.
Guys, so meron tayong tatlong rare, isang hit, nakatupload pa siya, guys, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I think this is Japanese card. Hindi ko sure, guys. So, let's see. Water energy. So, set aside muna natin sa energy. Oh, I think tama ako, guys. Japanese card siya. So, isang Japanese card. Oh, ang ganda yung ano niya, guys. So, Dark Streaks, Difflin, Cypher, Sunkern, Riolu, Solrock, and Rellor. So, this is the common cards. So, meron tayong dalawang Japanese cards and 2, 4, 6, 8 na English cards. So, next is our 3 na rare. Let's see. Ooh, Thundurus. So, Thundurus. Oh, Geta. Isang trainer and ang reverse. Ang holo rare natin is Shellos. And so, isang card para takpan siya. So, tignan natin kung anong hit ang nakuha natin. So, oh, full art! Full art siya, guys. Yes, full art. So, it is... Ooh, Palafin. Palafin. Wow. A full art Palafin. Ganda, guys. So, ang nakuha natin. Ito ang nakuha natin lahat. So, if you want to order, nalagay ko na lang yung link sa descriptions. And thanks for watching. So, see you in the next unboxing.